Hello students, everyone, welcome back to your online classes. And today's topic is who will do this work? Chapter 16, page number 147. Let's begin. Have you seen such scenes around you? So students, have you ever seen this type of things around you? Like people are cleaning things here and they are cleaning the dirtiest things. Okay, and so why do you think that people are doing this kind of work? Have you ever thought of people who do this work? So students, do you think that why do these people do this type of work? What is our responsibility to keep the place clean? So in order to keep all these places clean, so what would be our responsibility? Why do you think people need to do this kind of work? Maybe people because people are not getting any other kind of job, or maybe because of their poverty people are doing this kind of work. Our friends spoke to some staff who do cleaning jobs. Here are some of the things they told us. So the writer's friends, they talked with these people, those who do these cleaning jobs. Since when have you been doing this work? About 20 years since I completed my studies. So they are doing, when did they started doing this type of work? About 20 years and after completing their studies. Why did you not study further? You could have not got some other job. So friends are asking that why these people they did not study more. If they have studied further, then they could have got some other job. You need money for studies, and even after that most of our people continue to do this kind of work. So in order to study we need money. So because people, so after that the most people continue to do this kind of work. What do you mean? Since our great grandfather times or even before that, most people of our community have been doing this work. Even after getting a college degree, our people do not get any other kind of job, so they have to do this work. So friends are asking that what they mean to say. So since their grandfathers times only they have been doing this type of work, and even after though they have college degree, still they do this type of work. Why is that so? That is the way it is. In the entire city, all the people who do this kind of work are from our community. It has always been so. So, why is that so? But that is the way. So, in the whole city, also, all the people, those who do this kind of work, are from our own community. And these people have been doing this work. Right. Talk with people who do the cleaning job around your house and school. So you can also speak with the people those who do this cleaning job around your house or around your school, and you can also ask like this questions to them. Since when have they been doing this work? So when they have started doing this type of work, how much they have studied. You can also ask their qualification. Have they tried to look for some other work? So though they are doing this type of work, instead they also tried for another job. Did the elders in their family also do this work? So did their elders also do this same type of work? What kind of difficulties do they face in doing this work? So while doing this type of work, what are the difficulties that they have to face? You have to write all these things. What are the different kinds of work being done in the drawing? List any 5 of these. So here drawings are given here. So what are the different kinds of work these people are doing? Like just we will list any 5 from here, okay? So here you can see a man is milking a cow, and here you can see this is a big drain and it is blocked, and this is a sweeper cleaning the drain, and here the teacher is teaching students, and here this is a bus and the driver is driving, and here you can see the traffic police, and this is the vehicle from where they are collecting the garbages, and here the vegetable sellers are selling the fruits, and here are so many other kinds of work they are doing, okay? If you were asked to do any 5 jobs shown in this picture, which would you choose and why? So people are doing different kinds of work, so if you have been told to do this kind of any 5 jobs, then which jobs would you prefer to do, and why would you like to do those 5 works? You have to write the reasons. Which 5 jobs would you not choose and why? Then from this job, which 5 jobs that you would not like to do, and why you don't like to do those 5 jobs? You have to write the reasons. Discuss what kinds of work or jobs do people not want to do, why? So you have to discuss that what type of work do the people they doesn't want to do that type of work, and why they don't like to do. You have to give the reasons. So who does this kind of work? Why do people do this kind of work that others do not want to do? So who all do this kind of work like cleaning, and why do those people do such type of work that others they doesn't want to do? Imagine what would happen if nobody did this work. If nobody cleared the garbage lying outside your school or your house for 1 week, then what would happen? So you have to imagine, okay? You have to think that nobody likes to do this type of work like cleaning your area around your house or around your school for 1 week. Then what would happen? Think of some ways, machines or other things, so that people would not have to the work they don't like to do. Draw a picture of what you thought. So like you can also draw this type of picture like these machines, okay? Machines and other things, so that people doesn't have to do this type of work. And you can also draw like these pictures. Do you think that anyone has ever tried to change this situation? And so have you ever thought that some people have ever tried to change this situation? Yes, many people have tried, okay? People are trying even today, and still they are trying. But it is not easy to change this. But it is not easy to change all this. One such person was Mahatma Gandhi. And one such person was Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji had a friend, Mahadev Bhai Desai. Mahadev Bhai's son Narayan also stayed with Gandhiji when he was young. The incident is from Narayan's book. And Gandhiji has a friend, and his name is Mahadev Bhai Desai, and Mahadev Bhai Desai has also a son, and his name is Narayan, and Narayan also stayed with Gandhiji and that when he was young, and this incident is also taken from Narayan's book. Remembering those days. When Narayan Babla was about 11 years old, he was staying in Gandhiji's Sabarmati ashram. So, when this Narayan and was also known as Babla, when he was just 11 years old, he used to stay in Gandhiji's Sabarmati ashram. Okay, like everyone else in the ashram, he had to do various kinds of work. So in ashram many people were there, and like other people, Narayan also had to do different kinds of work. One of his jobs was to teach the guests how to clean the toilets. So there were so many things to do, but one of his work was to teach the guest, okay, how to clean the toilets. In those days the toilets were not what we know today, okay. So in the olden days, like we have today, we have nice toilets, okay, like western toilets and Indian toilets, but that time toilets were not good like today. There used to be holes under which baskets were kept. So, and there used to be holes under that basket were kept. People sat on the holes. Later, the baskets had to be lifted by hand to be emptied. So on that holes, people they used to sit, and after that, they had to lift that baskets by hand, and they had to empty it. Okay. It was the usual practice that people from a particular community would do this work. So every people from a particular community, they used to do this practice. But in Gandhiji's ashram, every person had to carry the basket to the compost pit and empty it there. But in Gandhiji's ashram, it was different. Every person had to carry that basket to the compost pit, and they have to empty that basket in that compost pit. No one was excused from this task, not even the guest. So no one they were excused from this type of work. Even the guest had to do this work. Narayan Bhai remembers how some people used to try and avoid this work. Some even left the ashram because of this. And Narayan Bhai still he remembers that some people they used to try to avoid this kind of work, and because of this work only some people left the ashram. Some years later, Gandhiji went to stay at a village near Wardha in Maharashtra. So, and after some years, Gandhiji he went to stay at a village, okay, which was near Wardha in Maharashtra. Gandhiji, Mahadev Bhai and others started to clean the toilets in the village, and Gandhiji along with Mahadev Bhai and other people, they started to clean the toilets in the village. They did this for some months, and for some months they continued cleaning the toilets. One morning a man coming from the toilet saw Mahadev Bhai, and one morning a man was coming from the toilet and he saw Mahadev Bhai. He pointed to him and said, "There is a lot of dirt over there, go and clean that." And after seeing Mahadev Bhai, that man pointed to him and said that there is a lot of dirt in the toilet, and he told to go and clean that one. When Baba saw this, he was very angry. So when Baba saw this, that time he got very angry, okay. He thought the villagers felt that this was not their work. He thought the villagers felt that this was not their work. This was for Gandhiji and his team to do. So they thought that this was the work of Gandhiji and their team. He asked Gandhiji why this was so. Gandhiji replied, Untouchability is a serious matter. A lot of hard work will be required to change this. So Baba asked Gandhiji that why they were doing this kind of work. Then Gandhiji replied to him that because of untouchability. Because so in order to change this, lot of hard work is needed. Narayan knew that the people who usually did this work were thought to be untouchable. So Narayan, he knew that the people who usually do this type of work, they used to think that they were untouchable people. He asked, what is the use if the village people do not change their thinking? They have become used to someone else doing this work for them. So he also asks that what's the use if the people of the village they do not change their thinking, then because they have the habit of doing that someone else doing this type of work for them. Gandhiji replied, why? Don't you think the people who clean also benefit from it? They also learn a lesson. To learn something is like learning a new skill, even if it is a cleaning job. So Gandhiji replied to Baba that why? If because if the people they also if the people those who clean also have, they will also have some benefit. Okay, after cleaning this, benefit is that they will learn a lesson from that. And to learn something is like we are learning a new skill. Okay, and whether if it is a cleaning job. Little Narayan was not convinced, and that time little Narayan was not convinced. He again argued. Again he was arguing with Gandhiji. Those who make a place dirty but do not clean it should also learn lessons. Narayan he did not agree and said that those who makes the place dirty, they should also clean it, and from that they also can learn lessons. Gandhiji and Narayan continued to argue about this. So Gandhiji and Narayan and they continued to argue with each other. But when he grew up, Narayan always followed the path shown by Gandhiji. But when this Narayan grew up, and he used to follow the path which was shown by Gandhiji. From the book in Gujarati by Narayan Bhai Desai, Sant Charan Raj Shivita Sahaj. Tell, why did Gandhiji and his team start doing the job of cleaning? Why do you think about this? So, students, why do you think that Gandhiji and his team they started doing this kind of cleaning job? So, why do you think about this? So, you have to write the reasons. Do you know any such people in your area who try to help others in solving their problems? Find out and discuss in the class. Guests at Gandhiji's ashram had to learn this work also. If you were one of these guests, what would you do? So, because Gandhiji would not leave even the guest, it was compulsory for all the people to come clean the toilet. So in that situation, if you were the guest, so that time what would you do? You have to give all the answers. What are the toilet arrangements in your house? Where is the toilet? Inside the house? So what are the toilet arrangements are in your house? You have to write. And where is your toilet? Inside the house or outside the house? And who cleans the toilet? How did the man who was returning from the toilet behave with Mahadev Bhai? Why did he behave like this? So you will find the answers in the previous page. How do people generally behave with those people who clean toilets and drains? You have to write. Narayan and Gandhiji discussed all this many years ago. Have things changed now? A childhood story. This story is almost 100 years old. Okay, this story is almost 100 years old story. 7-year-old Bhim went to Gurgaon in Maharashtra with his father to spend his holidays. There was a boy named Bhim, and he was just 7 years old, and he went to spend his holidays with his father to Gurgaon, which is in Maharashtra. He saw a barber cutting the long hair of a rich farmer's buffalo. So there was also a rich farmer, and he has a buffalo. And this Bhim saw a barber cutting the long hair of a rich farmer's buffalo. Okay, he thought of his own long hair. He went to the barber and asked for a haircut, and he also thought that he has also a long hair, and he thought that now he will also go to the barber, and he also asked for the barber to cut his hair. The barber replied, "If I cut your hair, both my razor and I will get dirty." So the barber replied to that boy that if the barber cuts his hair, then his razor and himself will be dirty. "Oh, so to cut human hair can be dirtier than cutting an animal's hair," wondered little Bhim. Then that time, to cut human's hair is more dirtier than cutting animal's hair. He was surprised. Okay, later this little Bhim was known as Bhimrao Baba Sahib Ambedkar. He became very famous across the world. Babu Sahib fought for justice for people like him. After India's freedom, the constitution was prepared under the leadership of Baba Sahib. So later, this Bhim came to be known as Bhimrao Baba Sahib Ambedkar, and is famous all over the world. And this Bhimrao Baba Sahib Ambedkar, he fought for justice for people like him. Okay. After India's freedom, the constitution also prepared under the leadership of Baba Sahib. A conversation in school. The reality today. Hetal. I am Hetal, and this is Mina. We both study in class 3. One is Hetal and one is Mina, and they both studies in class 3. What all you do in school? So what all these people do? We clean the ground. They cleans the ground. Do all children to clean? No, not all. So the question says that does all the children they clean the ground? No, not all the children will clean. Mina. We also have to clean the toilets. We do it on different days. I clean on Monday, she does on Tuesday, and she on Wednesday. All the children from our community do this. So Mina is saying that that they also have to clean the toilets, but they clean it on different days. And Mina cleans toilet on Monday, and some on Tuesday, and some they clean on Wednesday. So, but all the children they do from those who clean the toilets, they are from the same community. Hetal. We have to carry 20 buckets of water. For this we have to sweep and wash. So in order to clean the toilets, they have to carry 20 buckets of water, and they also have to sweep and wash. Why only you? Why not all the children? Only we have to. If we don't, we get beaten. So question says that why does this Mina they have to clean the toilet? Why the other children are not cleaning the toilets? Because only Hetal is saying that only they have to do. If they don't clean the toilets, then they will get beating. Tell. Who does the cleaning in your school? What all has to be cleaned? So in your school, who all does the cleaning, and what are the things they have to clean? Do all children like you help in this? If yes, how? If all do not help, why not? Do all children do all kinds of work? Do they sometimes have to miss classes to this work? Do the girls and boys do the same kinds of work? What all work do you do at home? Is the work done by boys and girls, men and women the same? Would you like to bring some change? What kind? You have to give all the answers. Discuss. Do people look at different kinds of work in the same way? If not, why is this so? Why is it important to bring change? Gandhiji's favorite song version is given here. This version is in Gujarati. Try to understand the meaning of these lines with the help of your elders. Think about this line. वैष्णव जन तो तेनी कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे पर दुखे अपमान सही जे मन अभिमान ना आने रे. So you have to you ask your elders what does Gandhiji's version mean to say. What we have learned. Gandhiji used to say that every person should do every kind of work. What do you feel about this? If everyone followed this, what are the things that would change? What are some changes that will happen in your house? So, Gandhiji used to say that every person has to do every kind of work. So, what do you feel about this? So, if everyone would follow these rules, then what are the things that will change? So and then what are the changes that you will see in your own house? So students, I hope you all understand, and I am sending you notes through the WhatsApp, so try to copy all the things in your notebooks. Thank you.